In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email addresses to your safe sender list inside Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Gmail, so mail.google.com, and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click on the little gear icon next to your profile icon and click onto See All Settings. Now inside of here, click onto the Filters and Blocked Address tab. Now we need to go ahead and create a new filter. So from the form, we want to go ahead and put in that sender's email address. You can also add multiple contacts here, and divided by a comma. We can customize this for subjects, include words, the words doesn't have, etc. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on create filter for that user. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on never send it to spam, and also click on always mark it as important. You can also go to the length of starring it inside your Gmail as well, and we can also categorize it if you like it. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on create filter.